Okay, we're gonna lace those fingers. Let's have our feet a little wider than hips or in that sumo position. I just don't want them too narrow. Oh, and also if anyone wants to use essential oil, you can grab it, it's right up there. And I would just encourage you to put it on your neck, traps, maybe elbows. Woo! Because it smells good too. All right, let's lace those fingers. We're gonna come up. I want everybody to stay here, pretend like a string is pulling through the center of your head, elongating your spine. Let's do a big breath in together. And exhale. Okay, breathe in. And go over to one side. We're lifting the ribs for a deeper stretch and hold. 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 Let's do that big slow breath in. And exhale. Slowly coming up. Elongate that spine. Let's do a big slow breath in. And out. Big breath in. And exhale, going over to the other side. Feel that nice stretch. Lift the ribs for a deeper stretch. And let's do that big slow breath in. And out. Okay, we're going to go a little quicker. So these are great for getting rid of the neck hump, for improving our posture. So many different great things. Breathing in, blow out. Big breath in, stretch up, and exhale. Big breath in, and out. Good job, big breath in, and out. One more on each side, breathing in, blow out. Breathe in, and blow out. Nice, come back up, elongate that spine, and arms down. Okay, 2 big gulps of water.